Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your Best Buy order. So first of all, you have to open your browser. As you can see, I am on my Google Chrome. I'm just going to search for Best Buy, and after searching, you have to go to their website, which is bestbuy.com. Now in the Best Buy, you simply have to log into your account if you have one, but you can do this without logging in. You just have to go to your order status option. After that, this page will pop up. You just have to tap on continue. After going to the continue, as you can see, you can either log into your account if you have one, or you can find as a guest order. So for that, you have to click on continue, and after that, clicking on continue, you have to fill out the details. You have to enter your last name or your phone number and your order number, and afterwards you will easily be able to track your Best Buy order. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.